Hi babies! This is Anthony Rosaldo, nagbabalik dito sa ating YouTube channel. Hi babies! This is Anthony Rosaldo, muling nagbabalik dito sa ating YouTube channel dahil ang tagal natin nawala at wala tayong content dito. Again, syempre nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga matagal na nating subscribers. At habang ako'y wala at hindi nakapaggawa ng content dedicated para sa channel na to, meron na tayong 30,000 subscribers. So, thank you so much. Kahit dormant tayo, ay nagpa-follow pa rin kayo sa akin. Thank you so much. Itong content na to ay tatawagin nating Songs of My Life. A song that describes Anthony as a kid. Ito agad yung naalala ko, mga batang 90s dyan. If you know this song, sing along with me. Bananas in pajamas. Alam niyo yung lyrics? Bananas in pajamas. I recall this song kasi part siya ng childhood ko at it brings back a lot of good memories of me as a child. My childhood was fun and we did a lot of activities sa labas ng bahay. Dahil kayo lahat ay nasa bahay at busy sa inyong mga tablet, aka may mga pamangkin. Oo. Dream ko ng bata ako, alam ko na agad na mag-artista ako. I always wanted to be in front of people to perform. The song that describes Anthony's family is, ano ba maganda? I'm a family man and we take care of each other so much. We're concerned sa welfare ng isa't isa. So, ang corny pero iingatan ka, aalagaan ka. Yung promise ko I will do my best to take care of her, give her the best. Ayan. And also sa mga kapatid ko, mga pamangkin ko. I think that's my purpose also sa mundo to, bata ko na buhay, is to basically be the help they need. If it weren't for them, especially si Papa at saka si Mama, na hinayaan lang nila ako to do whatever I want as long as I'm safe at wala akong tinatapakang ibang tao. At alam nilang nasa ikabubuti ko yung ginagawa ko. Supported naman nila ako. And yun ang masasabi ko na swerte ako kasi loving yung family ko and I didn't have to worry kung anong iisipin nila sa decisions ko in my life. They're just there as long as I'm happy. So, big factor sila sa kung nasaan ako ngayon. Para sa akin, the lowest point of my life was when my dad passed. That was 2014. So, yung kanta na naalala ko sa lowest point ko was Now and Forever. In-upload ko yung kanta na to. I did this cover for my papa. Buhay pa siya nito, pero may cancer na siya. Tapos, the reason ba't ako nag-upload ng cover, sabi ko, ang dami-daming mga nakakapanood sa akin sa stage kumakanta abroad kasi nagpa-perform ako sa ibang bansa as band vocalist. So, sorry, naging emotional ako. So, sabi ko, parang deserve ng papa ko na kahit man lang sa video, mapanood yun na kumakanta ako. So, ayun, I've decided na gumawa ng cover, yung Now and Forever. Napakinggan pa niya yun, pero hindi niya parang sabi niya lang nung napanood niya yung video, parang, ano ba yan? Ang lungkot naman. Anak, next time yung masaya naman. Pero actually, he's dying kasi that time. So, siguro parang sinushrug off lang niya yung feelings. Pero, ayun, yung song is Now and Forever. Now and forever, I will be your man. So, the song that describes my journey as a singer, I would consider, ito yung always, I think, sa lahat ng mga interviews na sinasabi ko, yung song na yun is The Climb. Para sa akin, it's the process, the journey, yung mga hardship, struggles, yun yung importante para sa akin, mas binavalue ko siya. Siyempre, achievements and success given. Pero yung steps on how you were able to be where you are, yun yung mas pinapahalagahan ko kasi yun yung naging parang stairs para sa akin. Para maabot ko yung pangarap ko. There's a voice inside my head says, you'll never reach it. Ayan. But ayaw na kantahin. Pause na yata ako. So, una, nag-join ako ng Pinoy Pop Superstar. I was very young. Basta super young. So, from Pinoy Pop, Itbulaga, 2015. Spogify featuring Singing Bass. Top 5 ako dyan. Tawag ng Tanghalan, Daily Winner. Tapos, The Clash. Top 6. Yan. I think, Defying Gravity. Musical theater. Kasi parang I'm breaking boundaries. Wow. Parang feeling ko ina-embody ko yung who is afraid. And everyone's afraid. Hindi pwedeng ikaw, lagi ka bang matapang lang? No, parang feeling ko, even if you're showing that you are brave, you're still afraid inside. But nilalabanan mo yun. In your everyday life, kesyo that's sa work or sa school or sa bahay. Kung sino ka ngayon, it's because you defied all of these mga uncertainties. You defied gravity, kumbaga. I was afraid when I joined The Clash. I was afraid when I joined this competition. I was afraid when I first stood on a stage as a performer. I was afraid nung magiging band vocalist ako. I was afraid nung first time ako magtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. Lagi akong takot, pero nilalabanan ko siya. And hindi ako takot na mag-step out sa comfort zone ko. Defying gravity, and you won't bring me down. Yan. Ang song ko para sa mga supporters ko ay Titanium. Kasi my supporters, especially yung mga babies ko who were there since I started in Itbulaga. Meron kasi akong solid talaga na who turned to be my friends na and family. Para sa akin, sila? They're strong like titanium. Ganun sila katatag, matibay sila, indestructible. And I'm grateful for that, super. And actually, yun yung Titanium was the song na inalay ko sa kanila sa The Clash when we had this week to dedicate a song para sa mga supporters. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. So, Anthony ay isang performer. He's an artist. Wala pang prayer dyan, He is family-oriented guy that takes care of his mom. He loves his mom and he works hard for the family because they deserve it. And Anthony is a go-getter. Walang period pa rin yan, He dreams big and he's not scared to make mistakes because he learns from these mistakes. And wala pa rin period to. So, Anthony is here always to inspire people to break boundaries and to reach and work hard for the success that they want. I want to be that person na maalala nyo na hindi natakot umabot sa pangarap niya kahit maraming distractions and maraming mga pagsubok sa life. And ayun, I want to be that person na maalala niyo, na mag-i-inspire sa inyo. Period na yan. Sure na.